Phase diagram is a graphical representation of different phases, solid, liquid, gas, with conditions of temperature and pressure and concentration. Phase diagram plot was a 2D plot. So for one component system, the 2D plot was between pressure and temperature. For two component system, temperature and concentration or composition. So here constant pressure, so it is a 1 atmospheric pressure for two component system. Using this phase diagram, we can identify the phases at given temperature and pressure. We can easily locate the melting and boiling points and sublimation points, and we can apply it in variety of areas. See about the one component phase diagram of water. Here the one component phase diagram was plotted between pressure and temperature. For water, there is a three phases: ice for solid, liquid water, steam for gas. From this phase diagram, we have to explain the points, curves and areas. It was tabulated like this. We can easily understand the phase diagram with this table. So keep compare with the phase diagram with the table. Here we need to explain 8 cases. Point O, curve OA, OB, OC, OB dash, and areas AOB, BOC, COA. At point O is called triple point. Here ice, water, vapor, three phases are in equilibrium at the condition 0.0075 degrees Celsius, 4.58 mm of amalgam pressure. Curve OA is vaporization curve. Here the liquid water was vaporized gas at a critical temperature of 374 degrees Celsius. Curve OB is the sublimation curve. Here solid ice was getting vaporized at minus 273 degrees Celsius at absolute zero. For curve OC, it is a melting curve. The solid ice was melted to water. So at 218 atomic pressure, it's called critical pressure. For curve OB dash, it is a metastable curve. The supercooled water liquid was equilibrium with vapor gas. So water is cooled below 0 degrees Celsius but without ice formation is called supercooled water. So below the 0 degrees Celsius there is no ice. Without ice formation, the liquid was shared equilibrium with vapor is called metastable curve. The areas need to be explained. AOB is a vapor. The full area AOB covered with vapor. BOC covered with ice. COA covered with water. So there are phases is only one phases, and there are component is one component, so it is called bivariant system.